Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to unban your Township account. Get unbanned in Township. So first of all you need to go to your settings, go into your applications, then find Township in the list. Now go ahead and open it up from here, and basically in here you need to just press on clear data and then press on clear all data, and after that we will do the same with our Google Play Store. So you need this Google Play Services application. You go to it and then you go clear data and then manage space, and then just press on clear all data. You can also raise all data for the Google Play Store itself, so just press on clear all data, and basically after doing that you can easily log in back into your game and play it. Hopefully this helps, guys. If it did, leave a comment in this video's comment section telling us if this method worked for you or not. Like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.